So this is room 1828 of the Palace Tower at Caesars Palace. And this tower is recently renovated. Now the last time I stayed in this hotel was May 2002. And actually it was in an old room, basically the same style as this, but just before they had them all renovated, obviously going back 17 years. But basically you have his and hers bathrooms, and you have interjoining shower. So this is the first one, and then the toilet in here. And then when you move out, you then go into the other bathroom, which also has a tub, toilet in there, and you can meet each other in the shower in the centre. Yeah, I've not seen that configuration before, other than in Caesars rooms. This is all of your hanging space. Actually, quite a lot of it. I'm guessing your safe's going to be here. Yep, there you go. And ironing board. And this is the nearest tower to the pool complex. So if you want to literally go out of the elevator and to the pool, this is the tower to get. And I was booked originally on a comp in a Palace Tower King room, and this is a upgrade thanks to the $20 trick at reception to a studio suite. Nice big telly there. Here you've got chargeable items, as always. And sadly you don't have a fridge for your own stuff. And this is just space for clothes, drawers, etc. in there. And then nice seating area over here. And in terms of a view, and before they built those towers there in about 2004, I think it was, you would have seen the fountains. Actually, you could call it a fountain view room, look. Just about. But you do get a view of the pool complex, which I'll do a walk around of separately. So yeah, very pleased with this. We're here for 4 nights. I've got 2 nights comped and 2 at $50. And as I'm a Diamond member, I don't pay any resort fees, so it's literally $100 for 4 nights. Not bad at all. Yeah, happy with this. Very good. Speak to you later.